Okay, so this video is going to talk about how to link slides within a presentation and why we need to do that when we're talking about these presentation mode activities. So here we have the same game board template. I went ahead and put numbers on the slides because they're all the same right now. So we want to make sure that we are actually getting to the slide that we want to get to. So we could do this in a number of different ways. We could do it here on the slide itself. Remember, this was made in the master slide deck. We could add things in here to do it, but we want to make sure that the links don't disappear. So I'm going to go back into my edit master, and I'm going to start linking things on my first layout. I'm not going to link them on the master. I'm going to link them on the first layout, simply because that way the links continue to work no matter how many slides I put in here. We've got it covered. So I've gone ahead and I've set it up here. I added 18 slides into my deck. You can see that I've got 18 slides here because I can't link to a slide that's not already in the deck. And I know I need at least 18 slides because I have 17 activities I want them to accomplish. This is where the planning ahead really comes in handy. So because I know that each time they click on a square, I want a new card to show up, a new activity to show up, I'm going to go ahead and link it on this first deck. So my first slide here is my game board. My second slide is the activity for box number 1. My third slide will be the activity for box number 2. So I've already done a couple of these. So I drew a transparent box over the box that we have here. I made sure that the edges were transparent. I made sure that the box itself was transparent so it doesn't show. But anywhere that they click on this box on 1, it's going to take them to slide 2, which will have the activity for box 1. Same thing here with box 2. So that when they click on the box 2, it'll take them to the activity for box 2. And I'm going to keep them so that it covers the entire box, maybe a little bit over, just so if a student clicks in just a little bit of the wrong spot, they still get to the right slide. So 2 will go to 3, 3 will go to 4, and so on. So I'm going to do 1, and I'll show you how I do it. So insert a shape. I'm going to take my box. I'm going to go ahead and cover as close to possible this number 3. Notice it's going to come up and it's going to be a gray box. I'm going to go up here to paint, make it transparent, make sure that my border color is transparent as well. Still highlighted. I'm going to click Insert Link. And it's going to come up here. Let's try it one more time. Insert link, slides in this presentation. And I am going to go to slide 4 and apply. I'm going to do it again. Shape, pick up a shape. I'm going to pick up my square. I'm going to cover the box here for transparent, fill, transparent, border, click, link, and 4 will go to 5 and apply. One more. Go over to box 5, pick up a shape, draw the shape around the box that is 5, click the fill color, transparent, click the border color, transparent, link, and 5 will go to 6. Now, before I go too much further, I want to show you how this looks in the actual presentation. So here's my presentation. I'm going to click present. So when I click on 1, it should go to the activity number 1 when we get there. So I'm going to click on 1. There it's going to go to 1. Let's say I'm going to go to 4. Now it's going to go to 4. Let's go 5. Now it's going to go to 5. And remember, if I click on this home button, it's going to take me back to my template. So students will not necessarily see the box, this slide changing very much right now, but we know we're going in the right direction because we have a temporary key here to let us know, okay, we're on the right one. I'm going to go back to my template. This is my main home board.